Let's be honest for a moment. Most of us have at least one degree, some of us have two. But still, when someone asks, so what exactly do you do? We pause. That pause is not a confidence pause, that is a buffering pause. Degree complete, execution still loading. Over the years, I have interacted with lots of educated people, student, working professional, even business owner, smart people, hardworking people, many of them. And one thing I notice a common pattern. They have good theoretical knowledge about their subject or topic. They understand concept very well. But when it comes to execution to generate money, they fail. This is not because they are incapable, but because in most of cases, the guidance they received was limited to theory. Teachers can only teach what they themselves know, which often comes from book, not real world execution. In exam, life was simple. क्वेश्चन आता है, आंसर लिखना है, मार्क्स मिलता है. बट रियल लाइफ ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. यहां क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं होता, आंसर गूगल पे नहीं मिलता और मार्क्स सैलरी स्लिप पे डिसाइड होता है. From school to college, most of us studied sincerely. We learned concept, theories, formula, and definition. We were trained to understand subjects academically. Exam tested how well we could remember and reproduce our knowledge. And to be fair, this education mattered. It gave us a foundation. It trained our thinking. It helped us to understand how the world works, at least on paper. So, this is not about saying education failed us. But there was one important part missing. No one clearly explained how this knowledge is used in the real world, how theory turns into action, and how action turns into money. We were taught the what, the why, but the how, especially how to execute, was never a part of our learning process. जो हमें पढ़ाया गया वो सिलेबस का हिस्सा था, पर रियल वर्ल्ड एग्जीक्यूशन वो तो सिलेबस के बाहर था. इंडस्ट्री हर 6 से 12 महीने में अपडेट हो जाती है. सिलेबस अपडेट होने में थोड़ा तो टाइम लगता ही है बॉस. थोड़ा मतलब जब अपडेट आता है इंडस्ट्री क्या बोलते हैं, थैंक्स बट वी हैव मूव्ड ऑन. दिस गैप becomes very obvious in technical education. Take the example of a software engineer. In college, they learn coding, but most of what they learn is not aligned with current industry standard. What the industry is using today, by the time it becomes a part of the syllabus, it's already outdated. Academics take years to update. Industry changes every few months. And this problem is not limited to engineering. Commerce, science, arts, every field faces the same issue. Students learn theory, the market expect execution, and that is why after graduation confusion start. You have a degree in your hand, but no clear execution road map in your brain. हम एग्जीक्यूशन सीखने के बजाय अक्सर मोटिवेशन ढूंढते रहते हैं. मंडे को मोटिवेटेड, ट्यूसडे को कंफ्यूज, वेडनेसडे को यूट्यूब, थर्सडे को नए टूल्स, फ्राइडे को डिसाइड करते हैं मंडे से पक्का स्टार्ट करेंगे और ये मंडे दोबारा कभी आता नहीं. थिंक अबाउट दिस ऑनेस्टली. क्या हमने ये सीखा कभी? हाउ टू अप्लाई व्हाट यू नो इन द रियल वर्ल्ड, हाउ टू प्रेजेंट आवर वर्क कॉन्फिडेंटली, हाउ टू प्राइस आवर स्किल, how to handle rejection and still move forward. We learned English grammar, but not how to communicate values. हम सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते रहे, लेकिन एग्जीक्यूशन स्किल कभी सिलेबस का हिस्सा रहा ही नहीं. Here is something most people don't realize. Execution doesn't require extraordinary talent, but most people already have usable knowledge. They just don't see it as something they can execute on. आपको कुछ नया बनाने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. आपको बस ये समझना होता है जो आप जानते हो वो किसी और के लिए वैल्यूएबल हो सकता है. Let's make this very practical. Storytelling is an execution skill today. Stories are used to sell product, services, ideas. If you are in any subject, maths, account, science, or even one exam topic, execution can start by teaching it. People are starting e-commerce businesses from their home. No shop, no inventory, no initial investment. If you have a hobby or passion, fitness, cooking, traveling, photography, gardening, whatever it may be, sharing useful information itself is execution. Execution is not about skill. Sometimes it is about experience. Some people simply share they have already been through. The experience become guidance for someone else. आज वैल्यू इस बात की नहीं है आपने कितना याद किया है, वैल्यू इस बात की है आपने क्या सीखा है और उसे अप्लाई कैसे किया है। कॉन्फिडेंस का एक स्ट्रेंज फॉर्मूला होता है, जितना कम एक्सपीरियंस उतना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस, और जैसे जैसे एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता है कॉन्फिडेंस बोलता है थोड़ा रुक के सोचते हैं। प्रॉब्लम कॉन्फिडेंस का नहीं होता, प्रॉब्लम एक्सपीरियंस के बिना एग्जीक्यूशन का होता है। When people try but don't see result, a dangerous belief slowly develops. Maybe I am not capable enough. That belief is wrong. You are capable. You were just never shown how to execute consistently in the real world. India has changed. Opportunities are no longer limited to offices. Skill can now reach people directly. But this only works when three things comes together. One, a usable skill. Two, real world execution. And three, a system that convert execution into money. Bharat Digital Champ exists because this execution gap is real, not because people lack intelligence, not because they don't work hard, but because there are never a bridge between learning and the real world execution. Bharat Digital Champ is built for people who already know something but don't know how to apply it to generate money. It exists to convert confusion into clarity and knowledge into action. Bharat Digital Champ is not a shortcut course. It is a motion, it is a movement, and it is not a theory heavy education. It is a skill, execution, income framework. We don't just teach what to learn, we focus on mainly execution, executing skill in real scenario, presenting them with the real audience, creating the first real proof of earning. सर्टिफिकेट बाद में आता है, एग्जीक्यूशन और कॉन्फिडेंस पहले बिल्ड होता है। बिफोर वी मूव अहेड, it is important to know who is speaking to you. Hi, my name is Abhijit. I am founder of the Yellow Pillow, a digital marketing agency. I am coming from an academic background. I am not here as a motivational speaker. My work has always been in the real execution world, where ideas are tested, strategies are applied, and results are measured. I have spent years working with business trying to grow, professional trying to find the direction, and beginners trying to take their first step. Across all of them, I have noticed one thing again and again. People don't struggle because they don't know enough. They struggle because they don't know what to execute next. Everything I share come from one core belief. Execution beats intelligence, structure beats motivation. I have seen extremely talented people stay stuck, whereas average people move ahead simply because they have clarity and a system. I believe is the foundation of the Yellow Pillow, not as a brand that just talk about ideas, but as a platform that focuses on doing the work. Bharat Digital Champ is built on this exact philosophy. Not to impress you with theory, but to help you execute step by step, starting from where you are. Now you know what is the real problem is, why BDC exists, and who is guiding you. So we will now move to day one. Day one is not about learning more. It is about seeing yourself differently. Small clarity, small action, real execution. हमारे पास एक हिडन स्किल होता है, टूल कलेक्ट करना, पेड टूल्स, फ्री टूल्स, ट्रायल टूल्स, एग्जीक्यूशन जीरो, लैपटॉप पावरफुल, इंटरनेट फास्ट, आइडिया सॉलिड, एक्शन कल से. Let me set one thing very clear. As you are starting your journey, I don't want you to spend money on tools. Not now, not on day one. Because tools don't create result. Execution does. Many people delay thinking we need paid software, we need premium tools, we need investment first. That thinking itself becomes the first blocker. So, for day one, we will work only with free tools, tools that are enough to start, learn, and execute. The first and most important setup is a Google account. If we already have a Gmail ID, we are already halfway ready. Now, the question is why Google matters? Because it becomes your digital identity, it gives you the access to tools like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheet, YouTube, and more than that, most of the platform trust Google-based logins. For day one, we use one clean Gmail ID. We avoid using multiple old IDs. This account will represent you as a creator and professional. Simple rule, one identity, one direction. फ्री टूल बोलते ही एक डाउट आता है, फ्री है मतलब वीक होगा. लेकिन सच ये है, फ्री टूल वीक नहीं होता. फ्री टूल सिर्फ टेस्ट करता है क्या हम एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे या नहीं. द सेकेंड इज अ फ्री चैट जीपीटी अकाउंट. नो पेड प्लान इज रिक्वायर्ड. वी ट्रीट चैट जीपीटी एज आवर थिंकिंग पार्टनर, our clarity assistant, our support system. When we feel stuck, we will not use ChatGPT to copy content blindly. We will use it to structure ideas, improve clarities, ask questions without hesitation, and learn faster. Important reminder, ChatGPT doesn't replace thinking, it supports execution. Used correctly, this single free tool can save us months of confusion. Next, we set up a free Canva account. We don't need design skill. We don't need paid template. Canva help us create simple posts, design basic thumbnails, present ideas clearly, look professional without overthinking. For day one, the free version is more than enough. We focus on clarity, not creativity. Simple is always better than fancy. Remember, people connect with ideas, not with designs. डे वन के बाद एक रूल है, हम सिर्फ स्क्रॉल नहीं करेंगे, हम सिर्फ लाइक नहीं करेंगे, हम सिर्फ सेव नहीं करेंगे. अब हम भी पोस्ट करेंगे. क्वालिटी थोड़ी एवरेज हो सकता है, कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा शेकी हो सकता है, पर एग्जीक्यूशन वो तो शुरू हो जाएगा. Execution is incomplete without distribution. So we set up two things here. Free buffer account. Number one, buffer help us to schedule post, stay consistent, reduce daily pressure. The free plan is enough in the beginning. Consistency beat intensity. We don't need to be active everywhere immediately, but we do need to claim our presence. We create or align our profiles as creators on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and X. Formerly, it was Twitter. Mindset shift. We are not here as consumer. We are here as creators in progress. Even if we don't post daily, our mindset changes from scrolling to sharing. On day one, our goal is not content, our goal is setup and mindset. By the end of day one, we should have one Google or Gmail identity, one free ChatGPT account, one free Canva account, one free buffer account, social media profile aligned as a creator. No money spent, no pressure, just readiness. From day two onward, we stop setting up and start executing step by step. Small action, clear direction, real momentum.